Director General of Police Welar Bisnoy ka khandeu trik jemang wala pinsai ba kai phot halor ka jing elum biang ka GNLA ha ka jula kaditang ka jing pentep layo elum bat kan yai sa kumta hadu bandala an pinti kana ka.
Now already I have clarified that was input only, and inputs remain input until it is verified. So we have written to the district for verification. Once the verification report received at our end, then only I will be in position to come.
Haba kadau bikidan shibun ki jing pentep ki bawan Bisnoy ulong ba haban bishar banya swai ki jing sisa jong ki bakum kini ki kai phot haswa ba katanat kanong e halor kini ki kam. Ulong susu bagi SP Barok jigi distrik kidang pensisa kini ki jing te bala yo ulum hala ki jong ki jaka bar hadien bala pendep ki jing pensisa katanat pulet kan sa ai ka kai phot halor kani. Habai de ba kapor ban pinmi ya kani kai phot DGP ulong ba umshim labu ikon no kapor handrai hadien bala pendep ki jing toket ko babiang Lakmil di lakumno onyo yaka hapo steo ai.
So timeline to we have not fixed any timeline. It may take time because some interior areas are there. They have to check and cross check from each and every remote areas. I think within a week probably we will submit it.